Hey Tyler, what can I do for you?
Well, hopefully something for a change. You know, as well as I do, that our target this quarter is newsletter subscribers. Let me ask you, how many newsletter subscribers have you driven today?
I thought that was marketing's job.
Let's get on it. 10 new subscribers today, or we are going to be having a much more serious conversation tomorrow. Get it done.
All right, so today we're going to be making some cold calls to encourage some salespeople to subscribe to the SalesFeed newsletter. I'll confess, it's been a little while since I've made some cold calls, and anyone who does it regularly knows it's really easy to go rusty. So before doing anything, I'm going to listen to some tunes to get pumped up so I can crush those dials. Let's take a quick look at the playlist, shall we? It's gonna give it to you. It's the one line I know.
Feel it coming in the air.
Everybody's hands go up, and they stay there. No more procrastinating, no more dancing. We're gonna make some cold calls. Today I'm gonna try out a few openers from Friends of SalesFeed, from our cold calling opener video. I'm gonna test out a few, find which one I like the most and which one seems to be the most effective at getting my prospects to stay on the phone. All right, so I'm gonna do Morgan's first. It goes, "Hi, Will."
Hi, Will. Thanks for taking my call. Hey, look, I know I'm calling out the blue here. However, do you have a few moments to chat?
And he doesn't say his name in the intro. So that means that the person's meant to come back and say, okay, yeah, sure, who is this? So let's get on my list. I'm gonna be calling these folks and I'm gonna be on speakerphone. Let me just see if I can get myself live on TikTok while I do this. I've got no reasons to not make these cold calls now. Go live.
You have reached.
If I don't get any connects, then I'm gonna be pretty livid.
Milo speaking.
Hey, Milo. I know I'm calling out the blue here. However, you got a couple of seconds to chat.
Sorry, who's this?
It's Will Aitken here from SalesFeed.
How are you doing?
Yeah, good, Milo. Good. Look, the reason for my call, I saw that you were the type of person who's quite active on LinkedIn. Made me think that you might be the type of person who's keen to stay up to date with the latest sales tips and trends. Would that be a correct assumption?
Sure.
We've got a newsletter that we send out every single week. Would you be totally opposed to checking something like that out?
No, that's cool.
You wouldn't happen to be in front of a computer, would you be, Milo?
Yes.
Could you go to salesfeedmedia.com and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I just signed up for your email, so.
Thank you so much. This is my first cold call of the day, so I really do appreciate. Let's stay in touch. Yes! That's what we're talking about. We got someone to subscribe to our free newsletter. It's been a hot minute since I actually made a cold call, so I was a little bit nervous for that one. But I want someone to chew me out today. I want to get someone who's going to be mean to me, so let's keep going.
Good afternoon, Nader speaking.
Hey, Nada, I know I'm calling out the blue here. Do you have a couple of seconds to chat?
Sure, who's calling?
It's Will Aitken here from SalesFeed. The reason I'm giving you a call is because we have a weekly newsletter here at SalesFeed. Have you heard of SalesFeed before?
Sales feed?
Yeah, not feet, feed. Feet would be like an OnlyFans thing.
Oh, no, I haven't. I don't think I have.
Would you be totally opposed to checking out what I am promising is the #1 sales newsletter that goes out every week so that you can get some new tips and insights to your inbox?
So what was the name again?
Sales and then the word feed, F-E-E-D.
I think, oh yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, I watch your feeds actually on LinkedIn.
You do?
LinkedIn, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh my god. I actually love those videos. I'm sorry, I actually just had, it's lunch and it's just, you caught me off guard.
That's the whole thing of cold calling, isn't it? Have you already subscribed to our newsletter yet?
I have not, although I've been following you.
Are you in front of a computer right now?
Yes.
If you head on over to salesfeedmedia.com, we could sort that out for you. My boss said if I don't get enough subscribers this week, then he's going to put me on a pip.
Yeah, so I just did it. I just signed up. I'm surprised I wasn't actually. I'm actually quite surprised.
And thanks so much for being such a great sport today. That said, I'm confident I'm going to get some people who are a lot nastier than you, so wish me luck.
I wish you all the luck in the world, brother.
All right. Cheers, mate.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
All I
Less nervous now. Next, I was worried that no one was going to pick up for these calls. But let's keep going, because I said I wanted someone to be mean to me, and Nada was way too nice of a person.
The number you have reached. How you think Tyler's cell phone?
Smile and dial, baby. You got to keep that thing on. No, this one's not going to pick up. You've got to be smiling the whole time you're dialing out, because if they catch you off guard and you're not ready, or you're going to be like,
Hello?
Hey, Suzanne. I know I'm calling out the blue here. Do you have a couple of minutes to chat?
You have the wrong number.
This isn't Suzanne.
No.
Is this Chloe?
Who's speaking?
Sorry, it's Will Aiken here from Sales Feed. I just got totally mixed up. My bad. Have you got a couple of moments, Chloe? Sorry about that.
Where are you calling from again?
From Sales Feed.
Yeah, go ahead.
Well, if I told you there was an incredible, the #1 newsletter that goes out every week with like just a simple sales tip, would that be of any interest to you?
No, not really. We're part of SDR Nation. We also have a JB sales membership.
I'm a big fan of the JB sales team. In fact, the cold call opener that I used just now was Morgan J. Ingram's. So
Yeah, definitely recognize that.
you wouldn't want any more of those tips flying your way.
No, I feel like I'm okay now.
All right, well, it was a pleasure getting to chat to you, Chloe. Thank you so much.
No worries. Bye.
Bye. Everyone has a bad call. Oh. Okay, all right, let's go on. Move on. Need to work on the talk track a little bit, I think. Called her by the wrong name.
Hello?
Hey, Anthony. I know I'm calling you out the blue here. Do you have a couple of minutes to chat?
Yeah, absolutely.
I think that's a really effective opener. But we said we were going to try a few different openers on this one. All right, so this one is Belal's, and it goes...
Will, this is Belal. You're not expecting my call. Do you have a moment? I promise to be brief.
Do you have a few moments? I promise to be brief. Let's give that a shot. Hey, Amanda, it's Will Aiken here from Sales Feed. You're not expecting my call, but I promise to be brief. You got a couple of minutes?
Sorry, this is, Alicia.
Oh, Alicia. The reason I was actually calling Amanda is because...
Yeah, probably not at this time.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thanks so much. Bye.
We move on to the next.
No, I don't think I'm interested.
Hey, Eduardo, it's Will Aiken here from Sales Feed. You're not expecting my call. Have you got a couple of minutes? I promise to be brief.
Yeah, sure, I do actually have a couple minutes before a meeting.
I work for a company called Sales Feed. Have you heard of us?
Actually, have not.
We have a weekly newsletter.
Oh, cool. All right, well, yeah, thank you. I'll definitely check it out. I'll subscribe.
Have a good one, Eduardo. Bye.
All right, you too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You've reached your...
So you might have noticed that I'm not leaving any voicemails. No one's going to call you back. It's not worth their time. They're not sat there with a pen going, oh, what was that? Was better give that sales rep a call back. No.
Hello?
Hey, Gabriel, it's Will Aiken here from Sales Feed. You're not expecting my call. Have you got a couple of minutes? I promise to be brief.
Now, if you want to give me a call about 4 p.m.
And thank you so much, Gabriel.
No worries. Hi, you've reached me.
There's no one here by the name Alex.
Hello?
Hey, Jay, you're not expecting my call. Have you got a couple of seconds to chat?
No, I'm busy. I'm outside.
You're outside.
Hello.
Hey, Chelsea, it's Will Aiken here from Sales Feed.
I am interested to hear what you have to offer, Will.
Well, look, Sales Feed is a media brand. We make fun content, comedy, humor, and training videos for sales reps. So the reason I'm calling you today is because I was hoping you might be able to check it out.
I'm loving your pitch. What does that mean for you if you get more newsletter subscribers?
I get to keep my job. I've got to keep us afloat.
Well, I just went and did you a solid.
Chelsea, you're the
There you
best.
go. Okay, thank you so much.
Cheers, Chelsea. Bye. It's crackly, isn't it? Oh, I'm going to switch my opener. I'm going to use Coleman's cold opener.
Hello, so-and-so. This is Kyle Coleman calling from Clari. This is a cold call. Do you want to roll the dice with me?
I don't know if I like that or not, but we'll see. We'll see. It's not something I would say. Let's go. Let's roll those dice.
Hello,
Hey, Ellie. It's Will Aiken here from Sales Feed. This is a cold call. Would you like to roll the dice with me?
Yeah, why not? As a sales professional as well, I can't say no. Tell me a little bit more about it.
It's a weekly newsletter. If you hate it, you can unsubscribe and it will hurt my feelings, but I'll understand.
I mean, absolutely. I got you, man.
Oh man. All right. One last call. This is it. When the end of the day has come and you are done, you are spent, you are tired, and you are ready to say no more, make one more cold call. All right, well, we did one last call, folks. That was it. Personally, I think Tyler is going to be over the moon with all the results we were able to get from those 150 cold calls. My favorite cold call opener was probably the first one that I tried, the one that Morgan Ingram shared. Hey, I'm calling out the blue, because it reliably gets the person to respond to you with, who is this? Which gives you kind of permission. It's really about choosing something that you're comfortable with, because how you say it is going to be just as important as actually the words you say. Whew. I'm exhausted. I had a lot of fun though. Let me know if this content is interesting to you. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest sales tips and trends, you guessed it, subscribe to the SalesFeed newsletter at salesfeedmedia.com. I'll see you there. Tyler, we did it. Got 10 new subscribers today.
We did? Because I was just checking Salesforce and it's not in there.
Yeah, I'm going to get to that in a minute, but I thought I'd let you know because I thought you'd be pleased.
That said, if we're onto something here, then tomorrow, let's get back to hitting those phones. I think we should be able to do probably 300 dials, maybe 30 newsletter subs tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
All right, perfect. And then we'll take it from there.
Thanks, Tyler. Appreciate it.